So we're getting back onto doing the extension of the chassis rails and everything. Yeah, we did a video a little while back, and I've had a few questions about, you know, camera angles, things like that. People couldn't see real clear, so I'm doing the other rail today. So we'll get you some better angles, some close-ups, and show you what I've done where I grafted it. So yeah, anyway, we'll go from there. And here we go. So I'll get you in close, and hopefully you can see. I'll get my glasses on so we can see. Right, so what we're doing is I've cut the chassis out. That's where the inner chassis is going to come around here. I've cut it out underneath. I don't know if you can see up there, but there's a nick in there. That's all notched out. So you can see it from in there. It's notched out. So that chassis, the inner, will cup that, be pretty flush with this. Then the outer will be wrapped around and welded along this edge, just like factory rails here. So effectively we're duplicating that, and yeah, that's about all I can say. We just got to do it, but I'll show you more close-ups of joins and laps and stuff that we didn't show you before. So all right, I'll find somewhere to put you here. Right, so I probably should get some G-clamps.
You want to get the J-clamp?
I can't get out.
No, I'm going to get the J-clamp?
No. This outer rail here goes along, joins in there. Oops, goes along, joins into there. Comes down on the outside. Goes in under there, the same as the top. Now what I'll do is I'll grind a V in here so that we can weld it, grind it back. Then the outer will go over. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. So I'll tack that right. Just before we go any further, I'll just give that a flap. Take them off. The other one I weld underneath is not where it's going to get in the way. You won't see it because it's not there. That's just so that I can I want to make sure this is on the right angle as that, but the only way I can do it is put the outside on. So we'll sit the outside on, but first I'll need to grind that off. Oh, that one's all right. I heated that up enough so it sunk. That one's just a bit high. You weren't brushing your travel, did you?
No, you just show them off.
Yeah, did you? Let me sleeve it. Well, for now I get you just give that a tap on the end, tap it in with Oh, I found where that weld was. Yeah. Just a gentle tap, it won't take much. That's a
Very nice.
little bit different on the other side. But, all right. So, what I've got to do now, clamp that. Right, I just want to clear a couple of things up here for you. What we've done is we've set the outer rail on to get a true reading across both rails. And the right hand rail is actually at the front is 0.1 degree high. So we're continuing that on all the way through, which will, when sitting on its wheels, it will be level. There you go. The front of the chassis rail is exactly the same as that. We weld. Oh, G-clamp.
G-clamp. Right. That's a real G-clamp.
The reason we're using the vise is that on the outer channels the legs weren't quite folded 90 degrees. They were slightly flared out and we didn't have anything big enough to close the gap. So sometimes you just got to make shit happen. The bottom kicked in and when I welded, I welded the jaw to the rail. I'll try and keep it back like that. Oh, watch your fingers as they cry. We're putting that face in.
Could have been worse.
It could have been me. Come on, right. Yeah, you hold the top, I'll hold the bottom. So,
Yeah, I'm trying to push.
yeah, but you got to. What you got to do is hold it like that. Okay, no, I'm going to there, right there. Right, get a bit on it. Right now, hang on. Now with the rubber mallet, push the top in, about the top there.
Yeah.
You done all right.
I reckon I did.
Probably.
Oh, there goes the not so level. Alright, I'm back. No need to chop it off yet.
Oh, well, you're just in time.
Yeah, to do it again.
Yep. I've got the camera on you good this time.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's only a tiny
didn't
spot,
get
but
that
it
with
was
a
throbbing.
pin.
No, because I thought because we had to bring it back
Yeah.
that I'll pull on this and that might be enough.
Get a pin in that little thing.
I didn't. I used scissors and just snipped it open. I couldn't find a pin. So.
Righto. Just hold that screwdriver there. And I'll just check the gap. Yeah. Amazing what you can do when you can see. It's another rail done. She's creeping along slowly. If you want to keep track of my progress on this, you know what to do. Hit the old subscribe. Give us a like, that'd be great.
And a comment too.
Yeah, comment.
Let us know what you reckon.
Yeah, comment, tell me what you think. And of course, hit that bell.
Well, the bell is you sort of got to click the little drop down under near the subscribe button, and
Would you hit the
yeah,
subscribe
no, that's the
button
thing.
and
That's ridiculous.
you wouldn't get
See,
notification?
that's the point, because it's all packed into the one subscribe button. It's
You
annoying
hit the wrong button.
because you need to press the little subscribe button. The drop down comes, and you get to select what type of content you want. And the recommended stuff generally isn't that good, because regardless of me being a subscriber, me liking the content and even commenting once or something, the algorithm says, oh, this has a different title, I might not like it. So always just
anyway, just tell me what you think. You know, if you like the content,
choose all the notifications if you're really into this sort of stuff, and
just let me know what you think.
we'll keep an eye on it.
As you can tell, we're pretty green at this, but any criticism, whatever. Yeah, I'm sitting on it.
I know you're sitting on it, but you're sitting on it up there, and it's still going down to 0. So it's not bad. But yeah, cool.
Yeah. Righto.
Until next time.
Yeah, I'm out.